Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. So I purchased a new MacBook Pro with the M1 Apple chip a month ago, and on it I tried to install Ruby 2.5.3 for my Rails project. And when I did, I bumped into an error, and the error that says if implicit declaration of function if I prep closure on M1 macOS Big Sur. So that was the error that I faced, and I was literally lost, and I was googling for a while, and then I bumped into this post on GitHub where I saw that many other people had the same issues installing um, Ruby on their MacBook. So there were a lot of other solutions that other people were advising. I tried them all, and none worked for me. And then I did some more research and I found a solution, and I posted that solution on the same post on GitHub, and looks like it helped many people. So what I decided is to capture the process in a video and share that on YouTube so that I can reach more people, so that I can help more people on the same issue. Um, so that's what I'm gonna do today. First, I'm gonna try to install Ruby 2.5.3 using RVM, um, and then you will notice the error, and then we will talk about how we can fix it. So we're gonna use the same steps outlined here to be able to install Ruby 2.5.3. So let's go to terminal and type in rvm. Point 3. So this is the rvm install command to install Ruby on your computer if you are using RVM. This takes a little while, like a couple of minutes to finish. Yeah, as you can see, there has been an error and that halt the installation process. So this is where the error log is available to take a look at. So let's see. And as you can see, it looks like it didn't pass because of this error. And to fix this error, what we have to do is to change some configuration. And to do that, we have to type in brew info ffi, and that should give you some information. So it's saying for compilers to find libffi, you may need to set. So we have to set this, and for package config to find libffi, you may need to set that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna type in this in the terminal. So these settings are temporary. So as soon as you restart your computer, these settings should reset. So it's done. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna retry the installation process for Ruby 2.5.3 and see if this passes. So this time the compiling stage passed, and looks like the installation process is complete. Great, congratulations. We successfully installed Ruby 2.5.3 on a new M1 MacBook. Thanks everyone for watching the video.